forgot how light the stock clutches are in these.
I've never been passenger.
No? Oh. It's kind of fun riding passenger in your own car sometimes, I think. Alrighty, driving a stock 328i. So I drove one of these like a couple weeks ago that was set up for track. And he had like really nice coilovers on it. I'm already forgetting the brand of it. It's like, I want to say GRZ. They're like $5,000 coilovers, right? Really nice coilovers. You said there are a few small mods under this car. ZHP rack being one of them. What else have you done?
Basically, I did the things that aren't stock that I did. Silvers, coilovers, the ZHP rack. I guess that's OEM Plus mod, but...
Right.
I did rev shift, front control arm bushings, and rear trailing arm bushings. I'm trying to think. And then I think basically I just did maintenance stuff. I did new control arms. I did the new sway bar end links. I did new steering shaft bushing.
Oh, that's funny. The thing that controls the squeak in here, right? Or that it's like the column.
Oh, I did that too, actually. No, I did the rubber joint that's lower in the engine bay.
Oh, yeah, that one. Yep. Oh, you did this too, though.
Yeah, I did.
Mine squeaks. I need to do it.
It had actually a bunch of
Oh, up and down movement.
lateral play in it.
My buddy's M3 does that. I mean, his steering wheel, you can like literally
It was like a quarter. It was like more than a quarter inch of play.
How hard was it? And did you notice the difference after you did it?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't move anymore, so.
Right. Well, what about like feel? Or did it feel? Is it just no movement?
It feels. The thing that was sketching me out was the steering lock was grabbing because it had actually sunk so low.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it would,
So
click when you turn, and I was worried that it was gonna lock
break
up
it
when I was
or
turning.
yeah.
Like driving.
That's
So
understandable.
I drilled out the lock, and that's not in there anymore.
Well, this all sounds like standard E36 fare.
But
I'll turn that off. Oh yeah, you're missing the little knob.
no,
Or it kind of works.
It just melted off.
Oh, yeah. It looks like this car's gotten a little melty in various places, but
Yeah, the interior on it was shot. It's a Southern car, so it is like spotless underneath. There's not a speck of rust anywhere. But the interior was roached, so I got new front seats, and I have the door cards. They're not in it yet. I did M3 molding, M3 beers.
oh yeah, definitely. No, I noticed that was the first thing I noticed about it.
M3 front bumper.
The wheels look kind of nice.
Oh yeah, I have Forgeline RS comp wheels with Bridgestone RE71R tires, which are probably overkill, but
Oh well, makes it
they
handle
came
good.
with it, so they're on it.
Yeah, I like the sound the steering wheel kind of makes.
Well, there's like a spring in the column.
Huh.
And it's actually at the very bottom
Yeah.
of the column, but the sound resonates. It makes it sound like it's in the steering wheel. But yeah, for some reason it's like the spring got rusty.
Yeah. Wow, this thing is loud. Lots of rattles.
Yeah.
Is that the no door card life?
You're driving a tent and there's no door cards, so yeah, I'm sure that doesn't help either. But yeah, it's kind of miserable on the highway. It's really loud. Like you can't have a phone call, which sucks. But
Wow.
I'm hoping the door panels fix that. So
They'll probably help. Although I'm noticing a lot more wind noise from this than my buddy's 323 convertible, which, I mean, that's a low mileage cream puff, so like, you know, you expect it to be quieter, but this is a pretty substantial difference.
yeah, that's actually like literally what I wanted to buy for it. But I'm glad I waited and I didn't spend whatever, how much, for like $300 to be buying used.
I feel what you mean. Down low, it's pretty sluggish. I wonder how much of that is the tune. Because that track one I drove was also stock. I also have an exhaust, which is a bit opened up. And it felt a lot more rev happy. But he had some kind of arcade tune on there. Oh. I forget with the clutch delay valve. It wants you to shift it quickly.
No delay valve on it.
Oh, you deleted it. Oh, so maybe,
No,
okay.
it just didn't have one on it. I looked for it though. So I don't know if someone did that or just didn't. For some reason, like some of them, I've had a couple of 330 CIs that were supposed to have them and they just didn't either.
Just didn't have any of them.
So
Interesting.
I just don't know if that's like. I just thought it was an E36 thing where they just didn't get them, but.
Right at 4, it kind of starts to climb a bit faster.
Yeah, it's pretty linear.
Very loud at highway speeds.
Yep. I had a 94 325 IS and that felt like it had more balls than this thing.
Yeah.
Granted, it had the $40 eBay tune on it.
Maybe the tune is the trick to these cars. Honestly,
I think the manifold's killing it too.
But minus that 52 manifold. I mean, granted, it is a, you know.
You have the cams more displacement.
Cam, yeah. So that is a big difference, but. Yeah, I don't know. That other is very interesting. I mean, it doesn't really feel overly slow. I mean, I can tell you this is quicker than my buddy's 323i, so.
Man, that must be miserable.
It's his first, like, manual car, so he doesn't really care. He's like, he got a good deal on it, and it's, like, red, so he's like, alright.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, exactly. He's like, it's just kind of fun. Rock around in it. It's really nice. I was slightly jealous. Okay. Wow, the 293. You got really long gears.
Yeah, the 293 is really.
I mean, in this I'd be in third. This is in second.
Yep, you're literally. Even with like with a 346, you can totally start in second gear with this. No way.
No way. Yeah, not happening. Very grippy tires.
You literally can't sharply start.
Alright. What supercharger kit do you want?
I don't know. I want something that isn't outrageously expensive. I'm not against anything. I would love one of those RMS kits.
RMS ones aren't that bad, actually. And they make decent power.
I know. And they're cool with like the aftercooler and all that stuff.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't be mad about like a VF or a heated
Honestly, this thing's, I mean, it's not perfect, but like, for the money you're in it, and all things considered, this thing's pretty nice, actually.
Yeah.
But I guess this is what a stock 320i convertible drives like, one with high mileage, and we lost our we lost our pixels again. Oh well. Thank you everyone for watching. We will see you in the next one.